I'm interested in what made you try inlines. After how many years of quad skating, you seem to really like it. Is it the speed?
It's a way of life. It's a way of just getting out of control and saying, hey, let loose, and let's do it, man.
Let's up those numbers!
Quick backstory moment. When I got interested in skating, I wanted to be a 5-wheel inline speed skater. I started off going to the rink with my daycare group back when I was in like the 3rd grade. The rink rats were people that would do slides and jam skates or speed skate quads, and they would speed skate and 5-wheel inlines. Am I gonna get 5-wheel inline speed skates or am I gonna get quad skates? I saw the writing on the wall. I live in Decatur, Georgia. I had never seen an inline skater at my skating rink. I had a friend that I would go inline skating with in the neighborhood. We would talk about jumping down rails and hitting pools. I had to say, yo, realistically, your budget is like for $150. I ended up choosing the Rydell R3, and the rest is history. I was looking for the next direction for the social media page, and I was like, yo, inline skating sounds perfect. But what I never realized was the utility of inline skating. Inline skating connected my entire life. I inline skate to work every single day. It only takes me 15 minutes. That is putting the skates on, walking downstairs, skating, taking my skates off, putting my shoes back on, walking into the building, and scanning in. If I didn't have inline skates, it would take me about 45 minutes on the bus. On the daily, having inline skates helps me overcome a hurdle that I wouldn't be able to overcome without them, and in a way that is in many ways better than getting a car. Getting an opportunity to inline skate every day gives me a chance to train every day. Physicians suggest that you get about 30 minutes of cardio 2 to 3 times a week. I get at least 30 minutes of cardio every single day that I go to work. When you extrapolate that same time saved and then you add that to all of the different parts of your commute, it's like having a bike without having to carry a bike. And it's like having a skateboard without the danger that comes with skateboarding downhill. That's all I got for you today. Go skate it down.
I remember, like and subscribe.